Would you love to create guilt-free, grain-free, sugar-free, oil-free, alcohol-free, and caffeine-free chocolate cake? Yes, my goddess friend. Today, let's make a delicious and nutrient-dense chocolate cake that is completely caffeine-free. All the ingredients are easy and simple to prepare, and it's heavenly delicious. Hello my beautiful friend, welcome back to Otakucha Life. I am Mana and on this channel, we learn how to be beautiful and healthy from the inside out. If you love to learn more about elegant tips and recipes, please subscribe and join our luxurious raw vegan community. Today, I am very excited to share with you one of my newest favorite cake recipes, a caffeine-free chocolate cake. Before we dive into the recipe, you might be wondering, Mana, why caffeine-free? I used to love vegan chocolate or soy cappuccino before, but every time I had those, my body did not agree at all. Can you relate? Then later I found out that caffeine can be toxic to our body, especially from medical medium, and I completely stopped eating those and my body loves it. If you want to learn more about cacao, I am putting the link in the description box, so please check it out. Let's start today's recipe video. For the tool, you will need a blender and a food processor. Those two are incredibly life-changing when you want to be beautiful and healthy from the inside out. And please prepare your favorite cake pan. In this recipe, I used a 7-inch cake pan. For the ingredients, this is all you need. Everything in this recipe is simple, customizable, and nutrient-packed. As you may already know from the pumpkin pie recipe, everything I introduce here is customizable and easy to personalize. So you can always adjust to your personal favorite style and taste. And as you may already know, we are going to use carob powder instead of cacao or cocoa powder. Carob actually tastes quite sweet itself. It's super nutritious, and if you want to learn more about it, I'm putting a great video in the description box that I highly recommend. First, let's create the crust. For the crust, we are going to use about 100 grams of dates, mulberries, and pecans. The crust can be only dates without mulberry. You can use dried fruits such as figs for a less fat nut-free option, or you can change pecan to almonds or hazel or anything you like. First, put those ingredients into a food processor and pulse until it becomes like a ball. Spread this dough evenly into your cake pan. Did you know that nuts can be nut butter if you keep using a food processor? We can simply make homemade nut flour and nut butter just with a food processor and your favorite nut. I'm going to tell you something very exciting about it, so please watch until the end. After making the crust, let's make the most delicious cake filling. For the filling, please prepare those ingredients. 100 grams of soaked cashews, 120 grams almond flour. To make almond flour from raw almonds, you can simply put it into a food processor and grind. Stop before going to nut butter. 200 grams water, 2 to 4 tablespoons of maple syrup, 30 grams carob powder. Put all the ingredients into a blender and blend until creamy and smooth. This is a heavenly, magical, creamy feeling. You can always add more cacao powder, maple syrup, or water as you like to the texture and flavor. As always, please check the taste in the process. After blending well, pour into the crust. I truly love this feeling. I hope you love it. Next, let's make the chocolate cream on the top. In this recipe, I actually used 50 grams of cacao powder and dates, 4 tablespoons of maple syrup, and 1 cup of water, which were very sweet, and I ended up not adding anything to the frosting, but it turned out great. So you can just add some dates and maple syrup and taste it during the process. You can use a blender or food processor for this. When I used a food processor, the powder spreads everywhere, so just be careful. You can add more cacao powder to the chocolate color. And you can add a little pinch of salt too. If you have a sweet tooth, you will love it. Spread this chocolate cream layer over the filling. Finally, let's create a frosting with 100 grams soaked cashews with water. If you made it with my recipe, you can do it without dates or maple because the chocolate cream is very sweet. Adjust your style and taste as you like. Today, I am going to decorate with a white rose. If you see my Instagram, you know I love roses. What are your favorite flowers? Please comment in the below. You can add strawberry, raspberry, or beetroot powder to make it pink. It could be so cute. Decorate as you like. After frosting, put it into a freezer for about 2 to 3 hours and ready to cut and serve. I hope you will enjoy this caffeine-free chocolate cake. It is guilt-free and perfect for the holiday season. And most importantly, your body will thank you and help you to become more beautiful and healthy from the inside out. Also, I recently shared more easy recipes with carrot powder on my Instagram stories, so please check them out too. I have an amazing announcement for you. I recently published the Haute Couture Life recipe book, featuring over 30 pages of elegant raw vegan and high raw vegan recipes. It's perfect for a vibrant and luxurious lifestyle. You can download your free copy from this QR code or link in the description box. All of Haute Couture Life recipe is grain, gluten, sugar, oil, caffeine, and alcohol free. All the ingredients are very easy and simple to prepare, mostly with fruits, vegetables, and sometimes nuts. It is so fun and exciting, and I am sure you will love it. What is your favorite cake? Please share your comment in the below. If you want to learn more about enhancing your life and yourself with an elegant mindset, please check our best course, How to Be Your True Self as well. This is perfect course for unconditioning yourself from the norms and live the best life you deeply want. Thank you so much for watching until the end. I always love you and appreciate you. Until next time, stay happy and have a fun and have an amazing gorgeous day, my goddess friend.